Okay guys, here we are. Another video. Not a shave today, but I'm going to show you how to change the blades on your Remington virtually indestructible foil shaver, the PF7855. You can see it here on my towel. Okay, and we also have some Remington shaver saver. Okay, very small amount left here. We've got some alcohol, and we have a measuring cup here. Okay, so I've actually never done this with this razor before. We'll just pour what's ever left in this bottle of alcohol here. So if I screw this up, I guess that's what happens, but there's the foil head here. You can see the that is the middle trimmer bar that goes after the long hair, and then the outer foils for short hair. Okay, we'll start off, we'll just throw this in the cup here, swirl it around a bit. I normally would use a coffee mug, but I want you to be able to see inside this, so that's why I've used my clear measuring cup here. So we'll set that out now on the towel to dry. Put it over here so you can see it. Okay, and the cutters, they're both the same. Okay. So I imagine that it's just a simple matter of lifting each one off. Let's see. Oh yeah, they come right off. That actually was a lot easier than I expected. See that? You see the hair in there? My cat might be joining us, guys. We'll see. But look at all the hair in there. So throw those in there. One at a time. Swirl it around. I don't imagine there's a way to put these things in backwards. There may well be, but I don't think so. Get a shot of that. Yep, she's coming up, guys. Okay. So we'll soak this a little bit. Swirl it around. You can see in the measuring cup the short hair in there. It's definitely keeping it clean with this alcohol. Pull out the other one. Oh, that actually took out the cutter itself, which, yeah. Let's see here. There's 3 cutters on either side. That's how you know it's positioned correctly. The one I took out of the alcohol, you can see there's those black posts. There's 3 cutters beside each black post, so that's how you know it's positioned right. But just for the purposes of doing this right, and you don't really want to, and I don't know how this set comes. When I buy a new set of these, I don't know if it's going to come with just the cutter. The picture on the Remington site shows these black triangular pieces as well, but maybe that doesn't really reflect reality. Maybe it just comes with these top cutting pieces. I don't know, but just try to get, when you take it out, just try to lift up on the black piece. There you go. See, so you're getting the black part with it. Okay, and again, throw it in the alcohol. Okay, swirl it around. The Remington manual talks about all this nonsense about using a drop of liquid soap and rinsing it and all this nonsense. No, you don't want to do that, because soap isn't going to take away the oils. And again, I mean, it may, but it certainly got a little bit of splash going on here. Getting a little bit overzealous with my swirling here. But again, this is a real video, that's okay. As you see half of my face too, that's always nice. But yeah, swirl it around a bit here. You know, the soap method, I guess, is fine. Again, maybe it would clean it, although I do prefer alcohol. But you know, these razor manufacturers tend to want to oversimplify things because they know that most people aren't going to want to clean these things thoroughly, like I do. They mention nothing at all about lubrication. They just assume that, you know, you're going to use this thing, use it with soap, you know, clean it with soap, rinse it out, let it air dry. Well, it needs to be lubricated. And that's where this comes in. Again, Remington Shaver Saver is no longer made, but I'm looking at different products. There was a guy today on my electric razor wrap message board who mentioned using a wall product for lubrication. So I'm going to have to try to find that. So let's take this last cutter out here. Just set it down on the towel. Just dry my fingers off a bit here. And again, for the purposes of this video, certainly you can just kind of dab the towel a bit over the cutters. Okay, now let's, oh, that makes it easy. It looks easy to put back in. Let's see if it is. Pop her back in here if we can. Oh yeah, went back in there. Try the other one. I didn't hear a click when I put that one in, so I don't know if it was in all the way. Try it the other way. Yeah, that one didn't click. Let's take it out. Let's take out the front one again, and let's just hear for this click. There should be a click for this one. And I've never done this before, so this is new to me as well. Well, isn't that nice? There's a click, but this last one never had one. Let's see if we can see if we can hear a click again or not on this second one. Oh, there we go. Okay. There you go. Cutters are together again. Put the top on here. Quite a bit of residue below here on my finger, my thumb. You can see just the shaven hair from the cutters when I took them out of the alcohol. Let's turn it on. Can you see that? Okay, that's all there is to it, really. You know, it's a little bit tricky, but I mean, you'll get it in, no problem. Took a while to click it in. You just, when you push it down, don't be afraid to really push down on it. You want to hear that click, and then you know that reassuring click, right? You hear that, and then you know this thing's in place. Okay, so what you can do here too is take your Remington Shaver Saver and just give it a couple sprays of Shaver Saver here. Okay, spray the foil and also the underside. Okay, put it back in place here. Turn it on again. Smells like lemons. I love that. So that's all there is to it. The PF7855 Remington virtually indestructible foil shaver. that's how you take it apart to replace the foil cutters, also the foil head, and also the cutters underneath the head. So fairly easy. But yeah, that's my recommended method, is to use some alcohol, use a shaver lubricant. Again, Remington Shaver Saver is no longer available, but you can use mineral oil, you can use sewing machine oil, those little vials of oil that come with hair clippers, you can use that. So yeah, just try that, guys, and if you have any problems, any questions, whatever, let me know. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Again, remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also visit www.electricrazorwrap.com, and of course I will see you very soon for the next video.